In this video, we're going to go over the structure and function of the plantar venous arch. This vein is also known as the deep plantar venous arch. Firstly, where is this vein located? The plantar venous arch is located on the plantar surface of each foot. If we look more closely at the veins on the plantar surface of the right foot, we can see here highlighted in red the plantar venous arch. Where does this vein originate? This vein originates and is formed by the ends of the four plantar metatarsal veins. The plantar metatarsal veins can be seen here highlighted in yellow. What is the course of this vein? This vein runs generally along the base of the metatarsal bones. The course of this vein runs a similar path to that of the plantar arterial arch. Laterally, this vein ends by draining into the lateral plantar vein, which can be seen here highlighted in yellow. Medially, this vein ends by draining into the medial plantar vein, which can be seen here highlighted in blue. What is the function of this vein? This vein primarily functions in the transportation of deoxygenated blood from the metatarsal veins to the lateral and medial plantar veins on its way back up the foot towards the heart. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the plantar venous arch.